How to add grid in the Filmora editing app. If you are wondering on how to add grids in your videos, then don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Filmora app. After opening the app, make sure you have added the photo or video that you want to edit, just like this. Now to add the grid, tap on to sticker option right here at the bottom. Tap on it. Then tap onto the search bar and type grid just like this and search for it. Then tap onto Jiffy right here. Then tap onto sticker of it just like this. And now here you can see the grids option. Now tap onto one that you want to add just like this. And now you can see the grid has been added. Now you can simply edit it. Now here is the thing, there is no any built-in feature to add the grids, so you can simply use the stickers to add it. Then tap onto the check mark. And now you can see the grid has been added. And that's it. This is how you can add grid in the Filmora app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.